Hi guys! Welcome to camp, I guess. I wish I could be there with you. Well, I hope you have an amazing summer, and my thoughts and prayers are with you all, and really wish I was there too. Yeah, Scuttle is really missing camp. Yeah, I thought I'd make this video to say hi, because, you know, why not? And this is my ukulele, and I thought I'd play you a song. So, I apologise in advance. Here goes. I can see what's happening. What? And they don't have a clue. Who? They'll fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2. Oh. It's a sweet caress of twilight. There's magic everywhere. And with all this romantic atmosphere, disasters in the air. Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. So many things to tell her, but how to make her see the truth about my past impossible. She'd turn away from me. He's holding back, he's hiding, but what I can't decide. Why won't he be the king I know he is, the king I see inside? Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are, stealing through the night's uncertainties. Love is where they are. And if he falls in love tonight, it can be assumed his everydays with us are history. In short, our pal is doomed. Okay, there you go. There's a song that I played. I apologise. Yeah, so I hope pre-camp goes well, and I love you all, I miss you, and I wish I was one of the birds right now. Yeah, I'm just hanging around waiting for graduation, baking some cupcakes. That's about it, really. My life's not that exciting right now. I'm playing the ukulele a lot and probably annoying one of my housemates, so oops. But yeah, that's about it, really. I hope you guys are good, and school went well and everything. And yeah, we should Skype, and I'll write letters to you as well. I think that would be fun. We should write letters. Yeah. Have an amazing time, and look after the children, and don't die. Okay? Bye.